How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now Namaskar, good morning. Once again I am Kavita Krishnani from New Era Global Kids. Now let's start with session. Now start prayer. Let's start with prayer. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Now start 3 times Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Again, join your hands, close your eyes. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. God's wonderful love. So high, you can't get around. You can't get over it. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. God's wonderful love. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. God's wonderful love. Now rub your palm. Put them on your eyes. Now open your eyes slowly, slowly. Relax. Now children, today I will tell you one story. Right? Now story name is Bundle of Sticks. Bundle of Sticks. Which picture is this? Bundle of Sticks. An old man who had 5 sons. How many sons? 5 sons was worried that his son would never learn to get alone. Old man को कितने sons थे? 5 sons. उसको 5 बेटे थे. वो उसके लिए बहुत चिंतित था. Worry about that. Worry means वो बहुत चिंता करता था अपने 5 बेटों के लिए. That his son would never learn to get alone. वो अपने 5 बेटों को कभी अलग करना नहीं चाहता था. He brought all of his sons together and ordered his servant to bring in a bundle of sticks. उनके पापा ने सन्स को मीन्स अपने बेटों को साथ में बुलाया. उन्होंने अपने 5 बेटों को साथ में बुलाया और उनके सर्वेंट में नौकर को बंडल ऑफ स्टिक लेने के लिए ऑर्डर किया कि आप स्टिक का बंडल लेके आओ. He said to his oldest son. उन्होंने अपने बड़े बेटे को बुलाया. उनके पापा ने किसको बुलाया? उनके कितने सन्स थे? 5. उनके 5 बेटों थे. उनके पापा ने पहले उनके बड़े बेटे को बुलाया, ओल्डेस्ट सन। ब्रेक इट, उनको बोला ये मुझे तोड़ के दिखाओ। किसको तोड़ के दिखाओ? बंडल ऑफ स्टिक। उनके बड़े बेटे को बोला ये मुझे बंडल ऑफ स्टिक को तोड़ के दिखाओ। द सन tried and tried, but even with all his might, he was unable to break the bundle. But उसका बेटा थक गया कि उससे वो बंडल टूटा नहीं, ब्रेक नहीं हुआ। The bundle, break the bundle. The other sons also tried. उसके दूसरा बेटा भी बहुत थक गया, but none of them was success. but कोई भी इसमें सफल नहीं गया। bundle of stick. Untie the bundle, said the father, and each of you take a stick. उन्होंने बंडल ऑफ स्टिक, उन्होंने ये बंडल था जो स्टिक का, उनको अलग अलग मतलब अनटाई मतलब उनको खोलने के लिए बोला। सेड द फादर, एंड ईच ऑफ यू टेक अ स्टिक। व्हेन दे हैड डन सो ही कॉल्ड आउट ऑफ देम। उनके पापा ने बंडल में से एक एक स्टिक लेने के लिए बोला। नाउ ब्रेक and each stick was easily broken. उन्होंने क्या बोला उनके पापा ने? ये बंडल खोलो। पांचों बेटों को बुलाया और बोला ये बंडल खोलो और एक एक स्टिक अपने हाथ में ले लो, और उनको तोड़ने के लिए बोला। तो वो एक एक जो स्टिक ली वो इजीली टूट गई। यू सी माई मीनिंग, उनके पापा ने बोला आपने मेरा मीनिंग समझा। यू सी माई मीनिंग, सेड देयर फादर। उनके पापा ने ऐसा बोला उनके बेटों को, आपको इसका मीनिंग समझ में आया? जब ये बंडल था तो आप इसको तोड़ नहीं पाए, और जब मैंने आपको बोला इसमें से सिंगल सिंगल स्टिक लो और उसको ब्रोकन करो तो वो इजीली टूट गई। सो मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, वर्किंग टुगेदर गिव्स स्ट्रेंथ। अगर आप टीम वर्क करोगे तो आप उसमें सक्सेस जाओगे। Right? Now children, today I will tell you one rhymes. Do you sing with me? Do you sing with me rhymes? Which flower is this? Sunflower. Sunflower color is yellow, big, bright. Big, bright and yellow flower, and with lots of petals, and with lots of petals. Sunflower and lots of petals. It is always seed, so it to fresh to make oil. इसमें से क्या बनता है? Oil. इसके सीड से क्या बनता है? Oil, which we use for a cooking. हम इससे क्या करते हैं? Oil से कुकिंग में यूज करते हैं। सो sing with rhymes. Sunny, 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 sunflower. Yellow, 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 sunflower. Sunny, 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 sunflower. Yellow, 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 sunflower. Be spread good cheer around, be it homemade or ground. Be spread good cheer around, be it homemade or ground. We always turn to big sun while we frolic and have fun. We always turn to the big sun while we frolic and have fun. My oil makes a food tasty, good, healthy, I bring you daily. My oil makes the food tasty, good, healthy, I bring you daily. Now children, do you like these rhymes? Yes, very good. Now children, today's session start with flowers name. Okay. Now children tell me yesterday what did in class work. हमने कल क्लास वर्क में क्या किया किया था. Now tell me which flower is this? I will draw here. Which flower? Children, tell me. Think fast. Which flower is this? Lotus. What is the first letter of lotus? L. L. L for lotus. What is the spelling of lotus? L-O-T-U-S. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Now next. Think children, which flower is this? Which flower is this children? Rose. What is the first letter of rose? R. R for rose. And what is the spelling of rose? R-O-S-E. Rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Now today's which flower? The lily. Which flower is this? Lily. What is the first letter of lily? L. L for lily. L for lily. And what is the spelling of lily? L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. Today's classwork and homework. Classwork is Lily in notebook and homework same as classwork. Now children, today's classwork is flower's name. I will write your classwork and then mention date. I will draw flowers, lily flowers. How to draw? What is the spelling of lily? I will write here. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. Now another side. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. Now children, today's classwork, write here. I will write here classwork and then mention date. I will draw picture of lily and I will write spelling of lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. Speak and write. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. Now another side. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. 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 Now our classwork is done, and then homework right will be here and mention date. Okay. Namaskar children. Thank you. Bye bye.